Hello children. So today we are back with another topic in fractions, ascending order of fractions. Now what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to big. So there will be a random of numbers given to us. We have to arrange them from small to big. That is ascending order. So let us move to the sum. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order: 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 12. Now if you see here children, the denominators are not equal. So the first step in ascending order is making the denominators equal by LCM method. So let us do the LCM method. For this we have to take the denominators 4, 6, 9, 12 and find their LCM. So always start with 2 if possible, if there are even numbers. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9 will not go, so write as it is. 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 3 and 9 are odd numbers, 2 3s are 6. Next 3. After 2 go to 3 if possible, and yes, 3 are factors. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. And next 3 1s are 3. So the LCM is these numbers. So the product is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 4 9s are is 36. So our job is now to convert these denominators and make it into equivalent fractions with denominator as 36. So now all these numbers should have 36 as the denominator. Okay. Now how will you convert 3 by 4 with 36 as denominator? Now you should see that 3 by 4, 4 9s are 36, right? So what is 3 9s are? Multiply with the same number what you are multiplying in the denominator. So 3 9s are is 27. Same way 5 by 6. So 6 6 are 36. So what is 5 6 are? 30. Then next is 7 by 9. So let us find out what is equivalent fraction for 7 by 9. So 9 4s are 36. So 7 4s are 28. Now sometimes children do not know the tables of 9 also. They will tell 8 4s are 36. So you have a trick here. You can find out. What is 9 into dash is 36. So if you see here, 3 3s are is 9. So 9 is already there. So if you hide this 3 3s are 9, what is remaining? 2 2s are 4. So with this trick also you can find out what is the table which will go in 36. So 9 4s are 36, 7 4s are 28. Then next is 11 by 12. Now what will give you 36 here? And now if you don't know the table of 12, now I know 12 3s are 36. Suppose you get stuck. 12 into what is 36? Yes, you can come to this old trick. Now 12 is already here. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So if you take out this 12, what is remaining? Only 3. Yes, so 12 3s are 36. 11 3s are 33. So this trick is particularly helpful when the numbers are large like 25, 26. So you can use this trick. Okay. Now I have made all these denominators equal children. Now once the denominators are equal, what is ascending order says? Small to big. So don't see the denominators for time being. Now see only the numerators. What is smallest in this? Yes, 27 is smallest. After 27 it is 28. Then comes 30 and then comes 33. So these are the ascending order. But we have to write this. So hence you can say 27 by 36 means 3 by 4. Second is 28 by 36 means 7 by 9. Third is 30 by 36 means 5 by 6. And last is 11 by 12. So we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. So let us go to the next sum. So now children, let us go to the second sum, the same question. So now the question is 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 11 by 15 and 17 by 20. So we have to arrange them in ascending order. So what will be our first step? Yes, it is LCM. And what will be our second step? Converting these numbers with that denominator. Okay, so let us take the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 20. So always we start with 2, and because this 10 and 20 are factors of 2, we will start with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20. Again this will go into, so 2 5s are 10. Now there are no even numbers here, but this will go in 3. So after 2 it is 3. 3 5s are 15. And now only 5 is remaining. So 5 1s are 5. So LCM is the product of these numbers. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So our job is to convert these denominators equal to 60. Okay. Now 4 by 5. How will you convert 4 by 5 into an equivalent fraction with denominator 60? It is 5 12s are 60. But if you get stuck, how will you find out, children? Yeah. So if there is a 5, remove the 5, what is remaining? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So you can easily do this. 5 12s are, so 4 12s are is 48. Then next is 7 by 10. So let us see 7 by 10. Now this is easy, children. 10 6 are 60, right? So 7 6 are 42. Next 11 by 15. Now 11 by 15. 15 into what is 60? Let us go to the LCM and see. 15 is here. So 5 3s are 15 is gone. So what is remaining? 2 2s are 4. So 15 4s are 60, 11 4s are 44. And the last is 17 by 20. 20 3s are 60, 17 3s are 51. So we have converted all these numbers into equivalent fractions with denominator 60. So now you can see which is small and which is big. So which is the smallest in this? Just hide the denominators because now they are equal. So this is the smallest. After 42 comes 44. After 44 it is 48. And then last is 51. Okay. So the corresponding fractions for this. So the fractions in ascending order are, you can write the fractions in ascending order are, first 7 by 10, second is 11 by 15, third is 48 by 60 is 4 by 5, and last is 17 by 20. Hope children you understood nicely. Next class we will be looking at descending order of fractions. Thank you.